Asia, the land of diversity and civilization. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly magnificent, 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 and diverse, diverse topic, the continent of Asia. Asia is the largest and most populous continent in the world. It is a land of ancient civilizations, rich cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and remarkable economic growth, from the snowy Himalayas to the vast deserts of the Middle East, and from the technological cities of Japan to the spiritual traditions of India. Asia represents unity within diversity. One of the most fascinating aspects of Asia is its cultural richness. Asia is home to numerous religions, languages, traditions, and lifestyles. Great religions, such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, and Christianity, have deep roots in this continent. This cultural heritage makes Asia historically and spiritually significant. Asia has also contributed immensely to world civilization. Ancient Asian societies made remarkable advancements in mathematics, science, philosophy, literature, and architecture. Countries like China and India were centers of learning and trade for centuries. Such contributions highlight the extraordinary intellectual legacy of Asia. Another important feature of Asia is its economic development. In recent decades, many Asian countries have experienced rapid industrialization and technological advancement. Nations such as China, Japan, South Korea, and India have become major economic powers. This economic transformation has created a highly dynamic and influential global presence. Moreover, Asia possesses incredible geographical diversity. It includes mountains, forests, rivers, islands, deserts, and fertile plains. The Himalayas, which are the highest mountains in the world, attract explorers and tourists from across the globe. Asia's natural beauty is truly spectacular, 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 and inspiring. However, despite its achievements, Asia also faces several challenges. Poverty, population pressure, pollution, and political conflicts continue to affect many regions. Climate change and environmental degradation have made certain areas environmentally vulnerable, vulnerable, vulnerable. Therefore, sustainable development has become essential for the future of the continent. In conclusion, Asia is not merely a continent, it is a symbol of history, culture, diversity, and progress. Its ancient wisdom and modern innovation together create a powerful combination that influences the entire world. Asia's future depends on peace, unity, sustainability, and continuous development. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the respected judges, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends for giving me this wonderful opportunity to express my thoughts. Your patience, encouragement, and attentive listening truly inspire me. I sincerely hope that my speech was meaningful, informative, and worthy of your valuable time. Thank you very much for listening so respectfully and attentively. I wish all of you success, happiness, wisdom, and countless opportunities to explore the beauty and greatness of our world ahead.